Hi, Desiree here at Love That Door in our Frisco showroom, answering some of your most frequently asked questions. This question is a good one. What are some of the advantages of an iron door? I might be a little partial, but iron doors require far less maintenance than a wood door. Granted, they might not all be budget friendly on the entry, but it's going to really pay off in the end because there's far less maintenance requirement. You actually have a product that is going to sustain greater weathering and wear and tear, and greater insulation in comparison to a wood door that's going to kind of break down over time. This steel door, whether it's a double door, a single door, they're all made from a 10 gauge steel jamb and a 12 gauge steel door slab that are injected with a closed cell polyurethane foam. Really offers supreme insulation. You have some really great glass that's in there. So it's really just a matter of the caliber of door that you're buying. There are some competitors that choose to use a 14 gauge and 16 gauge steel, which is going to be a much thinner steel. So in that case, it's going to be thin, it's going to be hot or cold to the touch. It can dent a lot easier when you go with a lower gauge quality of steel. So at that point, you might want to go with a wooden door, but overall, with what we're bringing to the market, we really offer a superior product. So what are the advantages? Really, you're going to have a product that's going to last 3 times longer. We offer a great warranty program that is going to help maintain your product and extend the lifespan. We offer a 10-year warranty on all of our paint finishes, a lifetime warranty on all of the steel welds, any frames, the thresholds. So you're going to have something that is protected, that we stand by very proudly. If you have any other questions, check us out at lovethatdoor.com. We have some great resources to really help you learn more about our products and the differences of the market.